Hey everybody, here's another video from your favorite man in the whole wide world, Cocktail Tony. I might be in the joint right now, or I could be in Rome, or I could be in Savannah, or I could be someplace else. I don't know where I could be. All as I know is I'm there. And I'm going to give my favorite shout outs today. 1, Slice of Life. They do good work. Slice of Life. And Hungry Me. Because I'm hungry. And my friend at Cooking with Neighbors, Jerry Allen, she sent me over In the Kitchen with Karen. Well, I'm in the kitchen with Karen. I'm in the kitchen, I know, whoa. I'm in the kitchen with Karen. Because my wife is Karen. I'm in the kitchen with her all day long. Sometimes in other places too, but I won't mention that. Something I gotta say. Clint Eastwood has a new movie coming out. It's Cry Macho. And this guy is 91 years old and he's still kicking ass. Clint Eastwood coming out, I don't know when. Cry Macho. You can watch the previews on our favorite channel, YouTube, of course. Today I'm gonna make a Bay State hurricane. No, Puerto Rican hurricane. Nah, a Cuban hurricane. Yeah, that's it. That's the ticket. A Cuban hurricane. Here we go. I got an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, and a half an ounce of sweet and sour. What do you call that stuff? Sweeten it up?
Simple syrup.
Oh, there you go. I'm simple. I'm simple. I like simple syrup.
You said that. I didn't.
An ounce of vodka, rum. Man, I'm twisted today.
Wow.
I haven't even started drinking
Are
yet.
you
Better
sure?
pour a little more. Get my language straightened out, right? I gotta get all my languages straightened out here.
You got a problem there, kiddo.
1 ounce of Appleton rum. Oh, this stuff smells so good. I could sleep with it. Or on it. I don't know. I could be sleeping. Folks, 151 proof.
Whoa.
151 proof rum.
Whoa, how much?
1 ounce.
Oh my goodness.
I call you, I'm a rummy, now I'm a dummy. I'm a rummy dummy. 1 ounce of Apricot Brandy.
Oh.
Oh! 1 ounce of Apricot Brandy.
Okay. Everything's 1 ounce.
1 ounce, 1 ounce, 1 ounce.
Okay.
And let me see. This is, how many ounces in a cup?
8.
8? Well, this is short of half an ounce. 7.5 ounces of, it's supposed to be 8, but we're short of half an ounce, of Sprite or 7-Up or your favorite go-to cocktail. And this is it, folks. This is it. And we're going to pour this over. It's a good thing I didn't shake it. It says to shake it.
Really? With
Yeah.
7-Up in it?
Oh, yeah. Shake it,
Oh,
shake
yeah.
it, shake it. We'll
Shake
be
it.
squirting all over the house.
Yeah. You'd be cleaning up.
Aha! Voila! Havana Hurricane! Voila!
Garnish! We forgot garnish!
Oh no, I didn't forget the garnish. It's the old hippo routine. There you go.
Oh, I fell!
It's the hippo. The hippo. Taking him for a swim. Now he's swimming. That's the hippo. Oh, hippos like the water, but he's going to be intoxicated after that swim. Drink it, hippo, drink it. Here you go, folks. That is tasty. Don't know if you would like it, Karen, because you don't like a lot of stuff, but it's pretty good. In the Kitchen with Karen from Jerry Allen at Cooking with Neighbors. And don't forget Slice of Life and Hungry Me, because it's supper time. Oh, I am hungry. Cheers all. Don't forget, get your vaccination. Don't get Delta. And say hello to somebody you know. Hello, Mama. Say hello to your mama. Ciao.